Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Today we are preparing gnocchi with Alfredo sauce. Let's begin. Cook the pasta as per the instruction on the package. In a pan on medium heat, heat oil, melt butter, add garlic, cook it for 30 seconds. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Add flour, stir, cook for about a minute. Add chicken stock, milk or cream, and stir. Allow it to thicken. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you will choose to stay. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Stir. Reduce the heat to low. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once the cream thickens as shown, remove it from the heat. Add parmesan cheese and leave some for garnish for later. You may sprinkle herbs of your choice. This is fresh parsley. Gentle mix to avoid breaking the pasta. I would like you to do me this favor and press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. Let's dish this deliciousness. Garnish it with more parsley or any herb of choice and cheese that is optional. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.